Hi guys on YouTube, we're just going to put the Neff integrated dishwasher on, with the detergents in there and everything, so it's all ready to go.
And it's going to be the quick cycle, unfortunately, so we press start and it's already on.
Okay.
We'll just film it briefly.
Okay.
Until it starts, actually the main wash cycle, and then we can put the spinner on.
Yeah.
Okay, we're filling that.
Okay.
This should be enough battery for about another half an hour, I'd reckon, huh?
I don't reckon you'll get half an hour out of it. You can try, but I don't reckon.
We'll see how long it does, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh! That isn't even full up. You can switch it off now.
Okay.